Welcome back, guys. I am Debojyoti Mitra once more in front of you all. So, today I have come with a new sort of topic which is much more important for our life. So, without delaying any more time, I'm just going to start. But before it, I literally would like to give a warm welcome to all of my friends and brothers and sisters. So, the topic which is crucial for our life, yes. So, today, on which I am trying to share some of my opinion to all of you, this is how to raise positivity in your mind and in your life. Yes, you heard the right thing. So, this is the matter, this is the challenge for us in the present generation, that how to create a positivity. As usual, we just suggest to others that always try to be positive, always keep positivity on your mind, always try to everything simply and be positive, stay positive. Yes, it's so easy to suggest anyone else about being positive or taking something positively. It's so easy, but it's much more complicated to utilize in our practical life. Yes, everyone can suggest to others that you have to do something, you have to do something, you have to be perfect, you have to be positive to do something for the betterment, but it's too hard, too tough, and too much complicated to utilize it, to practicalize it in our practical life. Because our mind is so fast that each as usual divert from another, means from one thing to another. And I also cannot practicalize, cannot utilize this one in my practical life. So before some time, before I starting my video, it just crossed my mind that it would be better if I share some of my opinion on this particular matter. So I just started to share something with all of you, and I think it also be better if all of us will discuss about this thing, and also will be able to find out the actual way through which we just can be able to overcome from this one, means what to do to raise positivity, what to do to live a perfect life without any sort of sadness, without any sort of obstacles, impediments. So I think I'm just trying to deliberate or share my views. Don't think that I'm trying to make myself superior to others than others, okay? Actually, not that. I'm also not trying to stylize my point of view, my pronunciation, not like that. Actually, I also try a little to share some of my opinion to all of you, that would be better for me and as well as for my society. So let's start. Nothing is there to start. Again and again, I'm just repeating that let's start, but what should I start? Actually, I'm not getting. So the matter is that how to raise positivity on our mind. So I also said that, and again I'm saying that it's much more complicated to utilize this thing. It will take much more time, because it has happened to all initially. Our duty is to realize all the things very minutely, very smoothly. If we will be so short tempered, then actually it would be much more challenge for us. It would be something complicated, something tough for us. So to overcome it, first condition that we have to utilize is always try to realize and recognize everything, that why it has occurred in our life. Why? What is the reason behind it? Because if something is seeming to be like bad with you, something has just happened right now with you, and you are repenting on yourself that it's really very bad for you. It shouldn't be, it should haven't be, okay? But after passing some years, 1 or 2 years, the same thing will be liked by you. You will be recognized at the time that uh, I repented on myself for this one before some years, but now I'm just able to recognize it that it's really much more better. So आज आपका साथ जो भी हुआ है वो हो सकता है बहुत बुरा लगा है आपको, पर we same thing after some time means it might be some months, it might be some years, it will be liked by you. You might be able to recognize and realize that and feel that it's better. So nothing is imperishable. So before thinking about anything else, think 100 times. Before taking any sort of decision, think 100 times. Because if you think anything deeply, then you can be able to find out some critical thing, some positive thing from it. And as per my assumption, always try to think. It means if you believe that something is there like destiny, something is there like luck on our life, then only believe that which is good. Only believe good luck, only believe good destiny. Consider that nothing is there like bad in our life, because nothing is there bad and good. It's what we create. If we consider it that it's good, then okay, it's good. If we consider it's bad, then it's bad for us. Because we means every individuals have their own kind of illusion, thinking process. If I like something, then another might not be able to like this one. Another might like another else. So this is the thing. अपना सोच के बदलो. संदीप जी ने एक बात बताया था, वो बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझको, कि जो आप मान लेते हो वही आप बन जाते हो. आपने अपना सोच के बदलाव, दुनिया बदलेगा. वो मैं हर वीडियो में, हर सेशन में I as usual tell this thing, that always try to change your thinking process, then whole world will be changed. Because whole world is just going on as per your own thinking. As you think the world is like world is something like that in front of you. So this is the thing. मुद्दे का बात पे आओ. This is the thing. So first of all, you have to make yourself perfect. Yes, first of all, you have to make yourself perfect. And how would you be able to make yourself perfect? By your thinking process. Change your thinking. So if you can be able to change your thinking process, then no one can stop you to consider it that everything, whatever is happening with me, it's only for well. And one thing is that whatever happened in our life, whatever is still happening, whatever will be happened in future, is only for well and nothing else. This is the thinking process. My suggestion, my humble request to all of you, to change your mentality, to think it deeply, to think everything positively. Even I am also cannot be able, even I am also not so able to obey all the rules regulations. Actually, as usual, we try and also like to see some motivational speech, motivational video, but actually what happened to us while watching this thing. Because suppose we're watching a session of Sandeep Maheshwari, so after watching it, literally trust me that highly for one day we can realize this thing, but after passing one day or some days, we will again forget, we will again try to have the norms of our regular day. So this is the matter. We just cannot maintain one thing for so long, because our brain is so fast and it as usual divert from one thing to another. This is the problem. So my request to all of you again that first of all you have to try to change your own mentality. Always try to think each and everything deeply. You have to take time to think it, to consider it. Before take any sort of decision, think for 100 times. Only this is the proper way as per my thinking. And always try to keep patience. Always try to fetch the passion for particular thing for which you are fond of for so long. Okay, so nothing more today. I am Debojyoti Mitra signing up for now, and till then always try to be stay blessed and stay well. And now at the time it would be better if I will suggest all of you that please stay home, stay safe, and goodbye. Have a nice life. Tada, bye bye.